Trooper Snem jong Nong San Hima.
Superintendent of Police ka Anti-Narcotics Task Force Giri Prasad uletho bha Snem arhaja arphulai arphusau arphusan kaladon ka jingkiu ki kam Khaïi Drok hapo ka jila Meghalaya. USP uletho ru batang hapo ubnai nailar arhaja arphusat ka Antf kala yokem haduk dai busan ngut kinong Khaïi Drok. Uletho babun ka jingyo kurup Drok da ka Antf bat ki pulit ka jila ka de nagathan ribhoi bat na East Giant Hills. Dangshan hagajnya trelang hapdeng ka Antf bat ki pulit ngile kurup Drok basyong dor sau point sau pokulur na East Giant Hills ulaong. USP uletho banado arhaja arpho hadu arhaja arpusan ka Antf bat ki pulit kila kurup saulak khandai spa khandai phulai point khandai spa lai phunyo gram udrok heroin khat arhajar hanyo spa san phunriu kilogram uganja ar point hinu khandai hajar handu spa lai phunriu kilogram opium New kilo uyaba tablets, khat khandai kilo u crystal meth, bat shilak arpusau hajar khandai spa handutali, kibilor codeine cough syrup. Hadian kini kisan Snem kidon hado shajar handu Ngut kiba shakem, habe day bat kikam Khaïi Drok, bat la register handu spa lai tali ki case.
2023, 24, 25, so there has been increasing trend. So even this year also almost we have arrested close to 100, 95 people so far. But there are two different types of trafficking. One is the consumer base, which they target the youth of Meghalaya. Other one is transit purpose. So transit purpose sometimes because of intense checking and catches, both in Riboy and East Jaintia Hills. So some drug traffickers have chosen alternative routes to supply to other states. So maybe that is why there is reduction in the little bit of seizures. But whichever is they are planning to target to Meghalaya, so they have to take it to the transit route of East Jaintia or Riboy. So those kind of cases have increased and we have been very successful in those seizures in the recent years.
Since you mentioned about Riboy and...
See, because there is also district Antfs in all the districts, not just in Riboy and East Jaintia Hills, but Riboy and East Jaintia being the entry and exit points and as a main for the main national highway, so it's more vulnerable for drug transportation. So we are closely working with the district Antfs of the respective districts. And if you see the seizures in recent times, so we have been focusing especially in entry-exit points because the quantity of drug seizures are huge in these both districts because they bring in large quantities. But once they try to pass inside these districts, then they try to divide among different drug peddlers. So we have been close, I'm in touch with these both districts. And recently also that seizure of 4 crores and 40 lakhs in a single day was a joint operation of Antf and the East Jaintia Hills District Police. So that already in the presentation we can tell you. I don't have one minute. So these are already shared with in the presentation only. So we have a total seizure of around 40,000, around 41,000 grams of heroin in the last 5 years. Then 12,756 kgs of ganja. Then 2 kgs of opium. Then Haba tablets around 76 kgs. Crystal meth 14 kgs. Then other psychotropic substances around 16 kgs. Then codeine cough syrup around 1,24,000 bottles. So the total value of seizure is around more than 412 crores so far, and of which we have already destroyed half of them in the East Jaintia Star Cement. Almost having around 25 officers and personnel along with the administrative staff also. This is out the state ATM.
So when K9 is coming?
Okay. So coming in October, so we are expecting after training they will be joining our team in October.
By November will be 15.
15.
October 15.
November it will be 15.
15.
1061.
How much, sir?
1061.